smartwatch. See, this side one button. See, this is key type button and key type. Okay, this is another one button. Okay, see back side. First I press this button. See, I pressed it. Again it closed. Again press and again press. Again press. See, this side button. See, again. And this button. See, this. Scrolling. When this move, scrolling like this. See, move. The first option, Bluetooth phone. Again press. The first option, Bluetooth. See, on. Then off. The second option, styles. Now see, style 3. Here press. See, like this, change and off. Then go style. I will change style. See, change style. See, again press. See, the styles are changed. Okay, now below button I pressed again. See, player. The button, torch light. In night time we have to see anyone, torch light like this. See, torch light. Okay, and this button press and back. And this is the flight mode. Our device connected, mobile device, automatically we can operate this phone, smartphone. See, I remove flight mode. Then last one, dark mode, don't disturb mode. This is total menu. Then another one, see, another one, we have double pressing. See, like this options in this ECG. Again press ECG and messages, blood oxygen. Double press this button, double press. First we have to change the style. We go for first menu. See, style, change 1. Okay, again press, see, like this. WhatsApp, calendar, see, calendar, back, double press, this button double press, this one, see, blood pressure shows this, like this button double pressing, okay. Heart symbol, click, see, WhatsApp, 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 this is the WhatsApp, phone book,